Hey everybody, welcome to Offroad 801. We came down to the swell today. See you later. What are you doing? Just looking over the land. Let's see if we can get lucky and find some dinosaur bones right here. No dinosaur bones yet. Not that I know what I'm looking for anyways. No luck on the dinosaur bone hunt. Bummer. We'll keep looking though. They're gonna fight over it? We were gonna go there and look at dinosaur bones, but it's closed. The Jurassic National Monument. We came down to the swell today just to have a look around, see if we can find some dinosaur bones, some petroglyphs. Pretty much every dirt road down here ends at a camp spot, so there's no shortage of camping up here. So I probably won't even bother showing you the camp spots. You can find some pretty nice camp spots down here. I think it said this was Humbug Lookout, Humbug Overlook. It's pretty. You used to be able to drive down here on these rocks, but they got it blocked off now. This is a dead end road, so come out here and camp, go back the other way, just come out here to see it. It's definitely worth it. It's a pretty overlook. I didn't come solo today. I brought my wife. She wanted to come with and have some fun. So that's what we're going to try to do, see if we can have some fun. So far, so good. Wish the dinosaur place was open. I want to go see them. We'll have to come back out and see them when they're open, I guess. Tracks all over out here. So we're just kind of out adventuring, seeing if we can find anything. Dinosaur bones, petroglyphs. And to find those, you gotta look at rocks. So I'm here looking at some rocks. I found one that's split in half. Let's go check it out. Pretty cool. I couldn't see nothing here, so let's keep going. That's a pretty amazing view. It's sandwich time. Lunch is served. Well, cool. I unexpectedly found a camping spot for later. It's got full service. Not too far away from that overlook I just showed you. I might drag my trailer up here and stay here for a couple weeks. Unlimited amounts of places to camp around here. Every dirt road down here has a camp spot on it, if not more. It's an awesome place. We haven't even got into the cool rocks yet. Over in the Buckhorn Wash. The Swell is an awesome place to come. It's not overly crowded. Excellent scenery, lots of open space. And like I said, unlimited camping possibilities. So when I'm ready to re-landscape around my trailer, I might re-landscape right here. Well, hopefully you didn't go blind staring at that. That was pretty bright. I'm a little bit blind right now. I had to show you the rainbow clouds. Hopefully they show up good so you can see them. We're running out of time. We're gonna have to finish this adventure next week. So thanks for watching, and to be continued. Let's look at this adventure on the map. We started in Price, went south on Highway 10, took the turnoff for Elmo, and just after Elmo is where we hit our first dirt road. Followed it down to the main road for Buckhorn Wash. Went south just a little bit for the turnoff for the Dinosaur quarry. And here's where the gate is for that. It was closed. So we kept going and followed it all the way out to right here is where Humbug Overlook is. Then we took that road all the way back to the main road. Came south a little bit further. Took the turn off for the Cedar Mountain Overlook. And followed it all the way up here. And right here is where that overlook is. Killer service for your cell phones. I want to go back there and camp for a while. Amazing view. This is the Buckhorn Wash. So you can look right down into the Buckhorn Wash, Calf Canyon, Cow Canyon. It's amazing.